IQOO users often face storage issues as photos, videos, and apps pile up. Moving large files to a PC can free up space, improve performance, and keep data organized. In this video, we'll explore 4 easy ways to sync your IQOO to a PC. Option 1. Sync IQOO to PC via MobiKin Android Backup and restore 5 minutes. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android Windows Mac syncs your IQOO with a PC. It lets you back up contacts, messages, photos, videos, and apps with just a few clicks, using either USB or Wi-Fi. User Manual. Install and launch the software on your PC. Connect your IQOO via USB and enable USB debugging. Once detected, select Backup from the options. Select the types of data you wish to back up, and then specify a storage location on your PC. Finally, click Backup to transfer the data from your IQOO phone to your computer. Option 2. Connect IQOO to PC for data sync with Vivo Cloud. Visit Vivo Cloud on your PC and log in. On your IQOO, go to Settings Vivo Account Cloud Service and enable syncing. After syncing, manage your data on the cloud website. Option 3. Backup an IQOO phone to a PC via Vivo Desktop Suite. Install EasyShare on both devices. Connect via Wi-Fi same network or USB. For Wi-Fi, scan the PC's QR code. On the PC, go to Backup, select data types and location, then click Start Backup. Option 4. Sync IQOO phone with PC with Windows Phone Link. Open Phone Link on your PC, select Android. Install or open link to Windows on your IQOO. Scan the QR code on the PC to pair and grant permissions to sync notifications, messages, photos, and calls.